Hello everybody, my name is Emma and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I did these Rihanna inspired locks. I really have been enjoying these locks for the past few days. They are not as heavy, but they're a little bit heavy, but not crazy heavy. And it doesn't take time, you guys. It took me about, let's just say 4 hours max to do this. Yeah, let's just say maximum 4 hours. So this time I decided to go for like a black color. I haven't had black hair in a very long time. I usually just stuck with brown and blonde. That's really my color, but yeah, this time I decided, oh, let's go back to basics and do black. So the length, they get up to here on my boobs. That's just how long they are. This is the hair that I'm going to be using. It is called Afro Twist and it's written hot water. It's actually my first time to try this hair. Baraka, pull this part. Pull it, let's open it. Yeah, give it to mommy. So yeah, it's got like 1, 2, 3 sections and about 2 packets of this. I hope it's enough, but I love how soft it feels like. Can you see that? Yeah, yes you can, Barack. So yeah, this is the hair piece that we're gonna be using today. So I'm about to finish off these locks. I wanted to show the video from the beginning, but unfortunately my camera didn't have a battery, so I had to charge it. But yeah, I'm finishing off now. I just wanted, okay, all right, yeah, okay, good. So I'm finishing off now, so I just wanted to show you guys how I'm doing these locks before the sun can set. So these ones are halfway. So first of all, what you want to do is to open your line. I'm not the one that is fussy about straight lines, but I think this line is pretty much straight. So what you need is to separate your hair. So I've been using gosh, okay, sorry, I've been applying this Afro butter. I did apply a little bit earlier, but I'm also along the way, the more drier my hair becomes, because I started doing this on like not really wet hair but damp hair. It was like, yeah, it was still damp or wet, if that's the word. So I'm just cutting my locks. So these are the ones that you when you buy in store, they're called Faux Locs. Unfortunately these were like they're old, they're still new, like, but they were leftovers from my previous locks that I did. So I take my Faux Locs, I take my lock, and then I've opened it. Can you see that? I've opened it like that, but not much, and then I just start braiding in. Like I start just braiding in like that, including, so I'm using with my hair, I think you should be able to see, you see, like that. So I just braid like that with my hair, included like these. Can you see these ones? Yeah. And then I'm taking this hairpiece. This is Afro Twist. It's called Afro Twist if I'm correct. I think I took a picture earlier. So this looks like it's quite it's not as thick as these ones. So I open it and then I hold it here at the end. You want to hold it and then you start wrapping off. You start wrapping, and for me, when I'm wrapping, I'm trying to be very careful, because you can see that my natural hair is blonde and this hairpiece is black. So I want to cover also my natural hair so that we don't see some traces of my bleached hair. Okay. Yeah, so you just wrap it until you reach to the end. It's very simple, you guys, like So simple. So you see these ones as well that I had braided in. I'm going to take my hair as well and start wrapping them up. So now here I just open it up and then so you take again a piece. Okay, I'm applying my butter. Then my hair. So to opening it up like this, it's trying so that it's not too bulky. Yeah, it's like not too bulky on the roots, and also to be manageable. So that's why you have to open it up. Okay. Like I find that for me personally, this is the easiest way to do faux locks. This is the easiest way for me to do locks without the crochet. Even to take it off as well, it's just like super easy to take it off. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep wrapping. So yeah, that is it, you guys, for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.